हाय गाइस, आई एम माही। वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। बहुत ही ज़्यादा दिन हो गए हैं मुझे एक वीडियो फिल्म करे हुए। आई थिंक मोर देन 20-30 days, बट हियर आई एम फिल्मिंग आफ्टर दिवाली। सो या काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है। बट दिवाली के लिए ना मैं गई थी दिल्ली, मतलब गाज़ियाबाद, टू माई पेरेंट्स। एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को दिल्ली जाना ही था। यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज सरोजनी, यू गाइस, आई मिस द टाइम जब मन होता था मैं उठ के सरोजनी चली जाती थी। बट नाउ इट्स लाइक अ थिंग दैट आई हैव टू डू इन अ ईयर व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली। So this is gonna be a Sarojini haul and I'm very excited because honestly इस बार सरोजनी से मुझे ऐसा कुछ लेना नहीं था क्योंकि आधा विंटर कलेक्शन आ चुका था एंड अहमदाबाद में इतना ठंड नहीं होता है। बट दिस गर्ल, your girl just went for the vibes. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll show you one by one कि मैंने क्या pick किया है and let's just go. Okay, so the first thing that I picked is actually this ribbed top. This has like 3 buttons here and this string to tie it. You can make a bow out of it. I just like to keep it open, so it's kind of like a half open cardigan and I love it. It's so Pinteresty and I just paid 100 rupees for it. So there is this lane where you enter from, जो कि एकदम मॉल के सामने है। उसमें ही जो स्टॉल्स लगे रहते हैं ना, फ्लैट 50, फ्लैट 100, फ्लैट 200, उसमें से ही मैंने लिया था। देयर इज़ नो पर्टिकुलर shop for it, but yeah, this is our first item. Okay, I have picked a lot of random things, not a lot of dresses this time, but the other thing that I picked is this really pretty top. It's sheer all over, so you'll have to, matlab, I'll have to wear the matching lingerie. But they have like such pretty tops in so many colors, and this was for only 300 rupees. Like I usually shop my tops from Savannah or H&M, and उसमें भी 300 रुपए में तो यार ऐसा टॉप नहीं मिलेगा. So I was very happy and it was like brand new, and इसका brand देखो तुम, देसी gal is the brand name. But yeah, I love how it looks. You can see the try on. I think it's, the silhouette is very romantic, so I picked this one next. Next, two things that I picked are actually loungewear. First is this one. This is like clearly H&M dupe and it looks so cute. ये वाले print में जो H&M में night suit है, that is for 2000 rupees, but वो full sleeves में है with shorts. But this one is in like half sleeves and जो इसका कपड़ा है वो बिल्कुल same है. It's like cotton and that अदर फैब्रिक, लिनन तो नहीं बोलेंगे, म्यूसलिन बोलते हैं उसको। आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, बट आई पुट इट हियर। ये एक्चुअली वही फैब्रिक है जो तुमको H&M में मिल रहा है, बट आई पेड 300 रुपीज़ फॉर दिस सेट। ये भी जो फ्लैट प्राइस वाले स्टॉल्स होते हैं ना, वहीं से मैंने लिया। सो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज आई एम अ फैन ऑफ हार्ट शेप। तुम्हें अब तक पता होगा, अगर तुम मेरे बहुत पुराने टाइम से तुमने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है, तो यू नो दैट दिस गर्ल इज लाइक हार्ट paglu. So this I picked and I was very happy about it. One more thing that I picked, which is in like loungewear and nightwear category, is this satin slip dress. This is again very simple and ये मुझे पड़ी थी again 250 या 300 रुपए की, but it's very pretty. It has heart bow and cherry print going on, which I feel is so cute. It looks really nice and I love sleeping in like, satin nightwear. So this is something I absolutely love. I know real satin nahi hoga ye, but let's just take the feel from it. You can see how it looks on me, but it's very like comfortable, to be honest, for night. थोड़ा सा size बड़ा है मुझे, but I don't mind, like रात में ही पहनना है तो थोड़ा loose चलेगा. But it was very cute and I love that I found it. The best part about Sarojini shopping and haul is like, it's like you find things one of a kind. That's the beauty of thrifting basically. So yeah, I enjoy my time shopping at Sarojini. And I also picked up two swimwear. there is this stall shop. If you're like a regular visitor of Sarojini, you know that there is this really big showroom of incense store and like clothing store है वो, and उसके बाहर ही ये भैया का स्टॉल होता है जो कि बहुत टाइम से वही है। मैं 2 साल बाद सरोजनी गई हूँ, एंड ही वाज स्टिल देयर, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा उनसे ही स्विमवेयर शॉप करती थी, एंड ही वाज स्टिल देयर। सो आई गॉट दिस swimsuit. First is it's like kind of a backless, but I found it very cute. It's like cow printed, and I just loved it. I was like, I have to have it, and it was 250 rupees for one swimwear, which I think is worth because it's padded and it's in good condition. I will show you the try on of everything, but with like a pant or something, because I have like a lot of bodysuits and swimsuits in this video. Another swimsuit that I got it because I loved when H&M पे ये jungle collection आया था ना, but it was like 2000 or 2200 for one swimsuit, so I did not get it at that time, but I found something very similar and I absolutely love it. It's like a halter neck and completely backless और काफ़ी ज़्यादा hot and अच्छा लग रहा है ये, like I can't wear it to wear in like a tropical place जिसके आसपास पूरे palm trees हो और pool में मैंने ये पहना हुआ हो, so it will be very pretty I think. So I got these two swimsuits. One more thing that I picked up is this really cute sweater. इसमें भी ऐसे woolen hearts है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft है, and भाई सिर्फ 300 rupees में ये मुझे मिला है, and I was very happy because again she is a heart पगलू एंड आई लव इट। इतनी ठंड हुई नहीं है बाय द वे अहमदाबाद में अभी, बट आई एम गोना वेयर इट इन दिसंबर, बट दिस लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन आई फाउंड इट बिकॉज hello, it's so cute and completely worth the price. Like सिर्फ 300 rupees में मुझे इतना cute sweater मिला है guys. I was very happy. Okay, one more thing that I picked from like for my loungewear is actually this dress. You can of course wear it on a beach or something because it's like your cotton pleated dress and it has like lace वाले straps, but I personally picked it for loungewear. मुझे घर में ऐसे dresses पहन के घूमना पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and especially in winters I love wearing like loose cardigans and dresses underneath, or maybe just shorts. But yeah, something on those lines. Like imagine like a very big cardigan on this and just like fuzzy socks, and you're just lounging and reading a book. You're like, it's like a perfect cozy, winter outfit. Even when I'm not filming or around camera, I love to dress up. Even if I'm just sitting at home, that's like one thing for me. It just makes me feel good. Okay, next thing that I have are actually some bodysuits, some sexy bodysuits that I got, some lingerie ones, and the first is this one. I am a big fan of bodysuits, guys. They just make me feel beautiful. सामने वाले को नहीं दिख रहा होगा, of course, but I like to have good lingerie on. It just makes me feel good. And the first bodysuit that I got is this one. Very hot, I feel. The color is also red hot, and I थिंक ये साइज मीडियम में है। यूजुअली अगर मैं H&M से लेती हूँ बॉडी सूट, दैट्स लाइक स्मॉल, बट ये भी मुझे ठीक से फिट आ रहा है। आई विल गिव यू अ ट्राई ऑन विद pants, of course. Next bodysuit that I picked, which I think is quite sculpting and hot, is this one. This has like a bandage pattern going on, so it's gonna sculpt my waist as well. I'm gonna give you a try on कि कैसा लग रहा है, and yeah, I think it's gonna look very nice, and to wear it like inside a bodycon dress would be a great idea because it is gonna sculpt my body like that. Okay, next thing that I picked up, which is size small by the way, and this is from Victoria's Secret. Okay, no, this is from Pretty Little Liars, and small nahi hai, medium hai, but as you can see it looks very tiny, but it gives my body a really pretty shape. Like you will see it in the try on. I just broke its strap because I was a little rough with it. while trying it on, but हम इसको स्टिच करके ट्राई ऑन करके दिखाएंगे। एंड ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइक आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द पैटर्न, लाइक बहुत ही इसमें डेलिकेट सा नेट यूज़ हुआ है, and उसके ऊपर से लाइक निपल एरिया दे हैव यूज्ड these laces to cover them up, so it just looks very hot and pretty and feminine. Love it. So yeah, this was it about my Sarojini haul. I absolutely loved going to Sarojini, guys. I also picked up a few things for my home because वहाँ पे ना तुम्हें सरोजनी के पास में ही there is this market called बाबू मार्केट, तो वहाँ से भी तुम्हें घर की बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं। So I got a mug जो कि मैं तोड़ चुकी हूँ अभी ऑलरेडी। मैंने नहीं तोड़ा है ऑनेस्टली, मेरी जो हाउस हेल्प है उन्होंने धोते हुए तोड़ दिया था, तो मैं दिखा नहीं सकती तुम्हें, बट इट वाज लाइक अ डबल वॉल्ड mug जो आता है। I'll put up a picture here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. You let me know which one was your favorite item. I know ये मेरे पुराने ज़माने के जो मैं पहले सरोजनी हॉल्स कर रही थी उतना एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट नहीं था, because I used to buy a lot of things from Sarojini, like a lot of dresses as well, but this time I just went for the vibe, so मैंने वही लिया जो मेरे को लगता है कि चाहिए। तो वैसे मुझे कुछ नहीं था, but you know what I mean. I did go for like extravagant things. I just went for like simpler things that I can actually use. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video.